welcome to my first Bukkit Plugin Coding tutorial, and today I will be showing you how to make a simple healing yourself and other players plugin. I will not be showing you how to set up Eclipse IDE. If you want me to make a video about that, I can, but this will be the first episode. A few things you need is Java JDK, Eclipse, or whatever other IDE you want to use. I use Eclipse because that's the one I've used for a long time. A Bukkit Jar, so you can use it as a reference library when you're creating the plugin, and simple, somewhat knowledgeable with Java. So let's get started. So you're going to create a new Java project. I'm going to call it heal. Create a new package. I'm going to call it me.jeff.main, and then create a new, for some reason it created a new snippet. I don't know why, but let's just delete that and create a new class. Name it main, or whatever you want. Doesn't matter until you get to the Plugin.yml, which I'll show you whenever I'm done with this. Properties. So this is where that Bukkit jar comes in. You go to Properties, Library, Java build path, Libraries, Add external jars, and then you select your Bukkit jar or spigot jar. I use spigot because it doesn't matter. Just yeah. And then you're going to want to extends Java plugin, just extending it as a Java plugin. Then you're going to create a public void on enable. Oops. This is called whenever the server is starting up. So I'm just going to type sys out real fast, and then enabled, and then a public void on disable. This is called whenever the server is shutting down, so I'm going to do another sys out. If you want to do sys out like that, if you type sys out, sys out, and then hit control space at the same time, it'll just auto put that there. And then disabled. So to get onto the healing command, I'm going to create a public boolean, boolean on command sender command cmd string command label, and then string with square bracket. Whoops, that's not a square bracket. Square brackets args. And then import that, import, and then add a return statement so it can return true. Okay, so this is basically saying if you don't, so you don't have to type command sender every time, you can just type sender. Same with this, and then string args. So that would be like this, args like that. We're going to do if command label dot equals ignore case, and then quotes heal. So equals ignore case is just so you don't have to like type it with perfect caps, so you can type it in all caps or whatever formation you want. And then if args dot length equals 0, and open that up, you're gonna type, oh, one thing I always forget, so it just makes it a bit easier, player equals, oops, cast it, player sender. So this is basically saying player is player lowercase, then you cast player to sender, so sender is now player. if args.length player dot set health 20. So 20 would be full health. There's 10 hearts, and then there's 20 half hearts, so 20 would be full. And then if you want them to be extinguished whenever they type heal, type player dot set fire. Oops, dot. Oh, that's my problem. Set fire tick 0, so they don't have any more fire ticks. Okay, so now if you want to do if you want to be able to heal other players, you can go if args.length equals 1 and open that up. You go player, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it target player, just make it easier, equals bucket, or player, not bucket, player dot get server, no, dot get server dot get player args args 1 or 0. And then you're gonna do player dot set, or not player, target player dot set health 20, target player dot set fire tick 0, and let's just do a target player dot send message and chat color dot blue plus healed. And then let's do the same over here, up here I mean, and do that. Okay, so now what we basically have here is, oh, and this don't make this an if, make this an else if. And is if args.length is 0, that would be you just typing heal. Then it'll heal you. Else if the args equal 1, so then it'll heal the player that you type after arg1. So like heal, I don't know, heal Barack Obama, you'd heal Barack Obama. I'm not saying you should heal Barack Obama, but yeah, you might want to do like that. But yeah, political views are political views. Don't want to get them tangled up with this. So, and then if you want to check to make sure the player is online, I think you do else player dot send message chat color dot red plus player is not online. Okay, now on to the plugin.yml. I'll have a paste bin with a plugin.yml in the description. So you just copy that, and then new file plugin.yml, and then just paste that in. Name heal. Oops. Main. This is where this comes in. You have to have this exactly like it is. So mine is me.jeff.main.main. So me.jeff.main.main, and it has to be like all perfectly. It's case sensitive. That's what I mean. Description: heals players. Command heal. Command description. Oops. Heals players. So this doesn't have any permissions, so in the next episode I'm going to do permissions and having a second argument, so heal Jeff 10, then it'll set my health to 10. So next episode I've got that and permissions to do. So that's what I'll be doing in the next episode. And then what you do, either hit F5 or right click on it, refresh, and then export, and then you just export it to wherever. I already have this because I've messed up on this recording, so I redid it. So, and I will switch over to Minecraft, and now I'm in Minecraft. You can't tell because it's a black screen, but let me get on my test server. Then it needs a restart. My computer just went crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna start my Minecraft server up real fast. Sorry this is taking a second. I might cut this out. If I don't, you get to see behind the scenes of me trying to set crap up that I should have done before the video and don't. So, is it up yet? Maybe? No, of course it isn't. There it is. Yes, it is the best damn Minecraft server ever, even though it's just my plugin test server, and apparently I'm dead. Okay, so I'm gonna jump off here and game mode creative. I'm gonna game mode survival, and okay, now I'm gonna type heal, and I was healed. So now I'm gonna type heal. Okay, so that needs to be addressed. Let's see what is wrong. Now let's go back to Eclipse. So, why is that an issue? Oh, is this supposed to be arg1? I think so. Export, next. Now back to Minecraft. Whoops. Okay, so you just can't heal players that are offline. It gives you an error if you try to heal a player that's offline. So, yeah, not a really big deal, but thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll have all the download links and stuff in the description. And next episode I'll do permissions, and what else is I forgot what I said I was gonna do. Permissions and probably just permissions. So, goodbye.